Alright, we're headed out of Fort O'Connor, Texas. We're packed up, going to DMV, drop off some plates. Then we're going to go to get the front end of the line and check ball joints, etc. And then we'll be heading east, up to Houston, and then east on 10 probably, and stop somewhere in Louisiana for the night. I'm not sure how long the alignment stuff is going to take. So we're loaded, and I can feel the difference. I'm going to stop and get this weighed also. I had it weighed when it was empty, except for the custom cabinets and stuff, and it was 8,460 pounds. My max vehicle gross weight is 10,000. So I'm curious to see where I am right now, fully loaded. I'll try and get a few shots on the way. Going towards Victoria. We got us a convoy of farm equipment. It's harvest time here. Corn, cotton, soybeans. You have it. As you can see, that's corn been harvested. That's all field corn, not sweet corn. Alright, it's Tuesday, 27th I think, 25th? I'm not sure. I'll check it later. Well, I'm here in Walmart parking lot in Victoria. I've made it a whole hour out of Fort O'Connor. I went to get the front end aligned, and the bushings on the shocks were all messed up, which I knew. But nobody in town has got shocks for this. So, I'm going to be stuck here overnight. I'll be boondocking it out behind the repair shop. And I'm supposed to be in by 10 in the morning. So that means by noon, I should be back on the road. I hope. Well, it was a hot night last night. Very humid. It didn't really cool down until 2 o'clock in the morning. And then this morning at about 6 it wasn't too bad. This is just out the back window. Even though I'm still at the auto garage. Cart's supposed to be in at 10 o'clock. It'll probably take a couple hours. Hopefully I'll be back on the road by 1. So 6 hours driving time. I'm hoping to make Mississippi. I'll check back with you. Well, part was supposed to be in by 10 o'clock. It's 1/4 after now. So, you know, I'm going to give them till 11. And I'm going to tell them, you know, I had to prepay, so I'm just going to say, give me back the money on that part. I can't keep sitting around here all day long. This is getting ridiculous. The sun's getting ready to start beating down on the bus. So I'm going to try and move it someplace where it gets some more shade. What can I say? Typical Houston, Texas. Last time I came through it was raining. Heading out, it's raining. The traffic is backed up as usual. It's about 4:30, that's why. I hadn't been in the repair shop so long, I would have missed all this. But I didn't, so I'm gonna go through it. I can see, ooh, hope I caught that lightning. That's what I was trying to do. Nope. No thunder too. We're right under the front, I think. Heading towards Wilmington, North Carolina first. Trying to hold it steady is tough. Alright. That's good enough for now. Houston, we have a problem. Just a shot out my windows. I'm just outside of Lake Charles, just east of Lake Charles. Just that's outside of Iowa, Louisiana, in a Walmart parking lot. I'm on the garden side. And if you look way over there, you can see the gas station. And then out my window here, there's not a whole lot. I don't know what that is. Looks like a car dealership. And something out there. I'm not sure what that is. Another store of some kind. It's quite a ways away. Now I'm going to flip you around. And this is out my back window. Got a street light right there, which is no big problem. And then there's I don't know if you can see them or not, some vehicles parked here, and there's a camper, Class C I think it is, at the end of this line with this generator running. So that's why I pulled away up here. So that's it for me tonight. Tomorrow I hope to make it sometime in somewhere in Mississippi, or maybe even Alabama. We'll see.